Hbar holders, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate you guys as always. Let's analyze the price of Hbar, really understand what we're looking at, and of course, what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. So looking across the board, market is slowly but surely turning back into the green, which of course is always nice to see. If you're looking at the last 1 hour, we can really see, pretty much across the board, we are seeing multiple coins, up right now, which of course is always nice to see. With the price currently sitting at 14.73 cents, down about 1.5% in Bitcoin compared. Now, if you're looking at the market cap, $6.25 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $127.6 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's start off with the dominance here. If you're looking at the dominance, so pretty much still ranging around the 65.48%. We are pretty much finding ourselves kind of stuck within that range. Obviously, we did come down to 65% just 2 days back. But since then, dominance has been, gaining traction once again. But if you're looking at BTC, look at this for yourself. Bitcoin has been able to reclaim back above that 106,800 key resistance. You guys know the significance of that level, and we have seen the price of Bitcoin reclaiming back above that. And this is a very, very exciting stuff, especially for Bitcoin. And if we obviously remain above here, I am personally projecting that, we could push back up to $109,000 and potentially even start heading towards all-time high. So that's great, but you want to see the dominance showing some sort of weakness. That is a very, very important indicator that, we don't want to be overlooking. And once the dominance starts pulling down, that's that clear indication that, altcoins could really start having their time. If you're looking at Hbar's price right now, we're still having a little bit of a hard time, kind of pushing back up to that key resistance at the 15.5 cents mark. But just since the last few hours, from the 14.3 cents, we have seen Hbar go up about 4%. Obviously, significant amount of resistance still coming in its way, obviously dating back to, the previous cycle. But you want to see the price really pushing back up to that range of which we actually got rejected on the 24th. So pretty much, we have not seen the price of Hbar back above this range since June 15th. Let that sink in. June 15th was the last time, June 25th was the last time where we actually saw a wick above this key range, for a very short time. But, last time we were actually above there was June 15th. So it's extremely important. And, that's only about a 5.5% move from where we currently are. And this should give you a better understanding as to how, much of a lag some majority of the altcoins really have right now against, BTC. So very, very important for us to push back above here. Of course, some resistance coming in our way, but if Bitcoin is able to reclaim back above that range, dominance pulls down, I am projecting this resistance to be retested for the first time in about a week. And of course, turning that into support would really mean for us to, start pushing up to that 18.3 cents, which again is a level, we want to keep an eye out on, which again is something that we haven't seen since June 11th, which again is almost a month ago. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.